Introducing the GB225 and GB369, pint-sized stainless steel gauge blocks that make dead-on accurate machine setups a snap. Built with perfect 45 and 90-degree angles, the GB225 also features laser engraved scales on both edges to perfectly set depth of cut on a saw blade, router bit, or drill. With 30, 60, and 90-degree angles, the Gauge Block 369 measures 1 5/8 by 2 3/4 inches, with the long leg a ½ inch longer than the GB225, so better reference is provided when setting a bandsaw or scroll saw tables. Both gauge blocks are precision machined from a solid chunk of stainless steel, and they're 3/8 of an inch thick, allowing them to stand on their own. Plus, the edges of the tool are gently eased, and the surface features a proprietary satin finish that makes the scale easy to read and won't glare when you're checking blade angles. So for dead-on accurate machine setups, get your GB225 and GB369 today. And like all Woodpeckers products, they're precision made in the USA.